I'm Lisa, and I want to personally thank every one of you that has subscribed to Easy Federal Resumes and More. This is my channel, and together we've reached 1,000 subscribers. A significant milestone and an opportunity for me to reflect on my YouTube journey, most particularly how having a YouTube channel can be a stepping stone into the government as well, or it can launch your entrepreneurial career. There are all sorts of positions within the federal government, from scientific program director to miscellaneous, whatever that might be. I don't know. Even to public relations and training, which I've covered in a Work Wednesday. A YouTube channel can be a stepping stone or a complete career move. Take it from me, you won't know until you try. As I talk about my journey, I'll tell you why 1,000 is so important to a content creator and give you several insights that I've learned along the way that might help you start a new career. Video production, my friend, is the primary function of a YouTuber. YouTube has 122 million active users daily and 1 billion hours of content, which is watched across the world every day. With 2 billion viewers, YouTube is the second most visited website after Google. YouTubers don't work for Google, but trust me, they do. The skills that you will need to work in public relations for the federal government include being able to write and edit news release, as well as develop website content and social media content. As instructors with the federal government, you too will need to be able to engage in a wide variety and different levels of media, which are going to include public affairs, photography, public speaking, written and oral communication skills, as well as posting on electronic news gatherings, which is social media. Creating a channel first forces you to go outside of your comfort zone. While I provided a workshop in the past and even have been interviewed on local news channels, I never sat exclusively in front of a camera for hours just to create content for 8 to 10 minutes. That's an hour of recording, yes, can get whittled down to 8 minutes or less because that's the goal. That's video productions. And YouTube is a digital and social media which the government must utilize in its campaign in order to manage its message, a message you can position yourself to speak to if you have the knowledge, skills, and ability. Commitment. I had to self-impose an obligation to myself, and that's Work Wednesday. It was a deliberate attempt to force myself to stick to a schedule. Easily, YouTube can be all-consuming. There's a lot you'll find, well, at least say for myself, there's a lot I find myself wanting to produce and creative tools that I want to introduce to my channel for my viewers. But I can't do it and have focus, and focus is critical. Or you'll find yourself, as I was, with lots of partially done videos and dozens of random notebooks and papers throughout my house drafted with ideas. Commitment will give you that laser focus you'll need to produce more quality videos because repetition does make perfect. YouTube is a job, whether you're getting compensated for it or not. It takes a long time to reach the expectation for compensation, which begins with that 1,000 subscribers. Before there is any advertisement money made, a creator must acquire 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch time hours. If you see any ads on my channel, it is strictly YouTube who is profiting from them, not me. I've been at this for 7 months now, and it's safe to say I can project that it's going to take several more for me to amass the thousands of hours that's needed in order to just apply for the AdSense program. However, here's a tip. Unlike trendy and quick entertainment videos, educational videos can be watched for months and years to come, which is why If you're going the route of educational and instruction videos like I have, create content that has a depth and value that will stand the test of time and trends. I'm going to stop there. Not because I'm going to celebrate, because I got homework to do and I got a work Wednesday to create for you. Like I said, commitment. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're sure not to miss part 2 of my journey. I don't know what I'm going to call it. I don't even know what the thumbnail is going to be, but there's going to be a part 2. Smart people, every minute, 500 hours of content is uploaded into YouTube. Make one of those minutes yours. Thank you again for subscribing and, of course, for watching. If you'd like to learn more about my little humble beginnings here on the YouTube channel, please let me know down in the comment section. I'm still learning, and my perspective may be exactly the same or very different from yours. But what I do know here at Easy Federal Resume and More, that's what the more is about. I'm giving more and I'm getting more. Bye-bye for now.